Happy 66th birthday, Ate Luz. I know it's not really happy on your birthday kasi meron tayong mamimiss. It's 360. Ika nga sabi nila na magbabago ang lahat. Pero I hope and I pray na everything will be okay. Slowly, ika nga, magiging maayos ang lahat. So the last time naman ta nakita, you're strong. So stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. Bye. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Luz. See you soon.
Tita finish. Happy birthday, Tita. Happy 60th birthday. I know I won't be that happy because I'm missing from the party, but it's okay. I'll wait for the jar to be in the mail. Happy birthday!
Bye, Ate Luz. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Luz. Happy birthday. Lipat na kayo.
Hi, Ate Luz. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. At alam mo naman, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. And enjoy your day.
Hi, Tito Luz. Happy 66th birthday. Siyempre, more birthdays to celebrate. Stay healthy, happy, and pretty. We love you. Enjoy your special day.
May this special day brings us happiness and blessing and love, good health and long life. The infinite love of God follow you, bring you countless happy moments in life. Yun po yung aking simpleng mensahe. At isa pa, bago ko makalimutan ang lahat, ako po ay nagpapasalamat. Maraming salamat sa pagiging pangalawang ina. Simula nung ako'y baby pa. Hanggang sa ngayon. Ayan. Naiiyak ako kasi, syempre, tagal na po nating hindi nakita. Malayo ko sa inyo, nakakamiss yung mga happiness. While I'm staying there, mabanding together, ayun. But soonest, I will be there. Birthday ko, birthday nyo din. Of course, we're the same one. Let's enjoy! Kain na! Happy birthday po. Love you, Mama. More blessing.
Happy birthday, Tita Luz!
Hi, Ate Luz. Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Luz. I wish you more success, more happiness, and of course, more years of healthy body, healthy mind, and healthy heart. Thank you for everything, for all your love to our family, especially sa aming dalawa ni Stepan. Salamat. And then, lagi lang kaming nandito for you, lalo na sa mga kids mo, kay Louie, kay Ina, kay Hongho, tsaka sa mga apos. Okay? Stay happy. You deserve all the happiness. We love you, Ate Luz. Enjoy your day. I wish I'm there. I'm sending you hugs and kisses. Happy birthday.
I don't see Tita Luz that often anymore. But one thing that I really remember about her is that she's very friendly and super accommodating. Kaya every time na nasa Rainbow kami, I always feel extra comfortable when she's around. And nakakatawa na kahit malaki na ako at nagtatrabaho na ako, hindi pa rin sila nakakalimot na every Christmas may gifts pa rin kami. And that's something na very simple but something that I really appreciate. Thank you, Tita Luz, for everything. And I know that it has been a difficult year, but I pray and hope that things will be better soon. I pray for your happiness, your good health, and more fun memories ahead. Happy birthday! God bless you.
Hi, Tita! Happy
Birthday
to
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita!
Hi po, Ante. Happy birthday. Miss you. God bless you always at ingat parate.
Happy birthday, Auntie Lucy. God bless always. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tita. Stay healthy and happy. See you soon po. Sana po matupad pa po lahat po ng gusto niyo sa buhay at pangarap niyo po kay Louie and sa mga kapatid po ni Louie. Yun lang po. Happy birthday po ulit. See you soon. Ciao.
Hi ma, happy birthday po. Surprise po. Wish ko po sa inyo ma is good health. Tapos kung ano man po yung mga worries niyo po sa buhay, sana po is huwag niyo masyado pong isipin. Pray lang po. Magiging okay din po ang lahat. Basta ngayon ma is enjoy niyo po yung birthday niyo po. Happy birthday po ulit ma. Love you. Thank you po.
I'm Mads Lucy. Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. Mads Lucy, good health always. Ingat kayo dyan.
Hello. Hello, Los. Wish you happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday na darating sa iyo, anak.
Mami. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Mommy.
Yay! Good job. Tingnan doon. Tingnan doon. Good job. Okay.
Happy birthday,
Mommy.
We miss you. See you soon. Wish you good health. Take care always. God bless. Bye-bye.
Dali na. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Say bye-bye. Happy birthday, Mommy. Happy birthday, Mommy. And thank you.